we have to get rid of a holy book or something.
I apologize. Say it again. I didn't get it. When you don't have...
If we don't have access to a
Genizah?
Genizah, yeah.
Genizah, okay, apologize. Okay, Genizah. So you can, first of all, you can store it indefinitely. You can store it indefinitely. It's also like if a Jew is getting buried, so you can put the things after on top of his grave during the burial, and that's what we do. So when we go to the burial of somebody from the shul, so we bring these things. So it's not disrespectful. It's actually like it's honor for a person that he or she is being buried and with a holy writings. Of course, not everybody understand that. Like secular people do not, but people from the shul, there you go. That's what we do, if needed. No problem. Or as we said, you can do it yourself. If you go somewhere to the woods, right? Nobody steps, or most likely nobody is going to step, right? And you dig a hole and you bury it in respectable manner.